Welcome to my channel. My name is Pixie Look. And before we begin today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a beautiful short hair story. Today we are talking about pixie hair fashion for women over 60, a style choice that represents confidence, freedom, and timeless beauty. Short hair is not about following trends. It is about expressing who you are right now. For women over 60, pixie hair brings lightness and clarity. It frames the face, highlights natural features, and allows your personality to shine without distraction. Pixie hair fashion is about intentional simplicity. Soft layers, clean edges, and balanced volume create a look that feels modern yet elegant. The right pixie cut enhances natural texture and works with your lifestyle. Silver and natural hair colors look especially stunning with pixie cuts. Instead of hiding age, pixie hair celebrates it with grace and pride. Short hair also brings freedom. It is easy to maintain, quick to style, and always looks purposeful. For many women, it becomes a symbol of independence and self-confidence. Pixie hair transforms more than appearance. Many women describe the moment they cut their hair short as emotional and empowering, marking the beginning of a new chapter. Pixie cuts pair beautifully with fashion. Statement earrings, scarves, glasses, and makeup become part of the overall style, creating a complete and polished look. Confidence is the true foundation of pixie hair fashion. When you choose short hair, you choose clarity, comfort, and authenticity. At Pixie Look, we celebrate women who embrace themselves at every stage of life. Beauty does not fade with age, it deepens and evolves. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Pixie Look for more pixie hair fashion, short hairstyle inspiration, and empowering transformations for women over 60. Like the video, share it with someone considering short hair, and comment below what pixie hair means to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.